Hello friends, today this is going to be the last lesson for the course WordPress security. So in this course you have learned a lot, and in this last video I will cover a simple plugin which I do recommend to use, which is iThemes security. It is a security plugin which will give you the following features like protections of files and folders, monitors the changed files. This feature tells you the files which have been changed multiple times over the server, and you can backup your database using this and block the bad bots or scanners the hackers might be using to test your site, and it will modify some key files in using htaccess and different other methods. So uh, let's get started. So once you have logged into your admin panel, go to plugins and add new. So here search iThemes security, and right there, and here you will see the first plugin, which is iThemes security, formerly better WordPress security, and I have already installed it. So after installing, you will see a security menu over here in the left menu. So click on that. So this is the main dashboard of the iThemes security. So all the settings are in the setting panel. So I will tell you what settings I have done for my site particularly, and so I have selected allow iTheme to write WP config and htaccess. This will enable iThemes plugin to automatically write the security related things in the htaccess file, so you don't have to manually do everything. And this is the error message the other person or the attacker will get whenever they have a lockout. So here is the lockout message: you have been logged out due to too many invalid attempts. There is the community lockout message. So in here you will see iThemes security network. So do remove that iThemes security network and change it with your own custom, because there is no need in telling the attacker or the other person that you are using iThemes security. So to check this, enable backlink repeat offender. This is going to check IP addresses of the banned users so they can't backlink you. Here are other lockout time periods, and here is the white list. IP, do add your IP in this list. Enable lockout notification. This will send notifications of every lockout to your email. And you should see the other settings. So here are 404s which other users will have. Do enable 404 detections. This helps you in monitoring the status of your site, and also if many hackers do use scanners which create 404 errors, and it is used by them to test multiple vulnerabilities in your website. So do enable that is recommended, and ignore these file types. So just ignore add these files or any other you want to add in here. And the away mode is like It works like if you have a particular time of posting and writing articles in your on your site or something, so you can enable away mode, and on you will be only able to access your admin panel in those timings, and no one can access in the other times. So this is a very good tool over here if you have hack repairs or any other site with high traffic. So if we want to generate pure backlinks, then you must check this options, so there are no bad backlinks from restricted sites or sites having low ranking. This is brute force protection. It will help to help you to secure your site from brute force attacks like multiple password testing and other things. So it will block the user attempting to brute force after 5 attempts of invalid password, and this will you can change the time of the logout, how many hours or minutes it will the user will be logged out. I haven't set the backups of database, but it is recommended if you want to do that. I am using other plugins for that function. So this is file change detection. Do enable if you want to change multiple files and do want to have a record of those. And this is like hide admin area. It will change the login place of WP admin with your custom. So I don't want to do that. Here is a malware scanner. You can scan your site of malwares and other things. This is for SSL. As I do have SSL, I have Cloudflare SSL. I don't need to use this. Do enable a strong password enforcement. This will ensure that the admin user is having secure passwords. And here are other system tweaks which can be done over here. So all in all, this is a very great plugin which you should use when if you have a WordPress site. So next step is advanced settings. I want to tell you that if you know what you are doing, then only then use advanced settings area, or otherwise you don't need to do that. And there are not much of the settings over here, like there is a WP salt. You can change the salt, so WordPress salts, like the way WordPress store your passwords, and change the content directory. I want to tell you that if you have a very well designed and have a good traffic on your site, don't change the directory, or it will break the whole site down and cause many troubles. And that's it. Here are the logs and backups. As I haven't selected the backups, so there will be no backups over there. So over here you can see all the errors over here which are generated as 404 invalid login attempts and other things. So all in all, that's it for this lesson. I do hope you have learned a lot from this course and will continue learning from here. I I will be doing another course very soon, so stay tuned. Thanks.